Does anyone else's cheese drawer always get really unorganized? I don't know how this happened. Let's clean it. Alright, I'm gonna be completely honest. There was a couple of cheeses in here that were definitely not good anymore, so we got rid of them. Okay, I went ahead and sorted through all of it. So basically, the stuff that we don't eat every day, I put in the garage refrigerator, and then the stuff that we do use every day, I'm gonna take that stuff from the garage fridge in, and then I also have a couple of other things in the fridge right now because we need to clean this, if that makes sense. But before we can get this in the sink, we gotta do the dishes. I'm still waiting on that automatic dishwasher that washes, dries, and puts away your dishes for you. It's been like 3 weeks now. I don't know why I'm saying this all that. Does anyone else have a very specific routine for washing their kitchen sink? Normally I would use the spray dish soap, but I'm all out, so I'm gonna start just with some dish soap today and scrub that. And then we rinse. And then the final step is some of this lemon scented spray. And I like to spray this everywhere and then rinse it down one more time. Now that the dishes are done and the sink is clean, now we can clean the cheese drawer. Oh, it's leaking. Oh no. Okay, we've got Kennedy watching Miss Rachel. We've got Dexter over there watching I don't even know what. Now that this is clean, I just need to dry it really, really well. Okay, like I said before, I sorted through it. Anything that we don't really use every day, I put in the garage fridge just so I can save room in here and keep this organized. So, with that being said, first we've got my cheese, my cheddar cheese that y'all know I love so much. I've got American cheese. We use a lot of American cheese. So I actually bought that in bulk just because it was a lot cheaper than to just buy like the individual packs at the grocery store of these. Which reminds me, what is the date on this? April. So that's perfect. We've got plenty of time with that. Not really a cheese, but cream cheese. I'm just gonna put it in here just because I feel like we're always looking through the refrigerator to find the cream cheese. Cheddar cheese of all different types, mild. We've got a strong cheddar, mozzarella, and then, what's the date on this? April. This is so good too. Perfect. We only have one bag of mozzarella. Kennedy loves mozzarella, although I got her to start eating cheddar though. Yeah, you. She's vacuuming with her little toy bag. So what are the dates on these? Because I feel like that's the biggest thing. So, okay. So first, that one, that cheddar. How does it look? I think this looks very organized. Let's see if I can keep it like this. Also, somebody knows that we have his favorite food out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the drop back in the fridge, but thank you so much for cleaning with me, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.